kotse ba? Feel kotse na.
Stan!
Hoy, Jacob!
May tanong ako.
Ano yun?
What's the difference between a Tarsier, Philippine Eagle, saka mga politikong matino?
Hanip sa tanong, English.
Siyempre.
Parang why did the chicken cross the road yan, ah? Pero ano?
Di wala. Lahat yan endangered species. Eh.
Parang mga lalaking loyal.
Oy!
Tulad ko.
Pero alam mo,
Oh.
ano pang endangered species?
O, ano yun?
Mga hatchback. Specifically, subcompact hatchback. Like the Honda City hatchback. Aming hatchback, no?
Oo.
Kasi, nag-iisa na lang yan ngayon, the Honda City hatchback. May parating na Chinese-made British brand. Pero as of now, this is the only subcompact hatchback na mabibili mo sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Ano ang tawag mo sa hatchback na nasa matraffic na lugar?
Ano?
The hatchback from North Fairview.
Ano? Gago.
Ano bang pinagkaiba ng hatchback in terms of size tsaka hatchback tsaka wagon?
Well, Tito Stan, as opposed to sedans, hatchbacks have 5 doors. The fifth one being the hatch. And then, sa size naman, you have the typical small hatchbacks. Yun yung mga Toyota Wigo, Suzuki Celerio, Honda Brio. Ito yung typical na hatchback para sa Pinoy.
Parang kumbaga sa Viva Hot Babes siya si Maui Taylor.
Oo.
Oo, ganon.
Tama, galing nun ah. Then there are the big ones, or the compact hatchbacks. Isa na lang yan ngayon, the Mazda 3. And then there's the middle ground, the subcompact hatchback. Populated before by the Yaris and Jazz, now the City hatchback, and yun nga, the upcoming MG3. And then hatchbacks versus wagons, magandang tanong yan. Especially since we are here. Hatchbacks have shorter rear end compared sa wagons. Kumbaga yung wagons, they have bigger...
Jennifer Lopez, ha?
Oo, ganun. So, yun ang difference nila. So, wagons have more space than hatchbacks. But of course, hatchbacks look more compact, more sporty or sportier than the wagons. And then, the City hatchback is a hatchback. And that's why the Honda City hatchback is a very important model. It's a dying breed na nga eh. It's para sa mga gusto ng practical car, pero ayaw ng SUV or crossovers. Parang ako. At syempre, yung mga facelift and refresh makes it, parang medyo bago, di ba? Sa paningin ng tao, mas attractive. Di ba? Parang botox mo.
Nagagalaw ko pa yung kilay ko, no? Meron pa akong expression. So, natural to. Pero, speaking of budget, hindi naman lahat ng tao ay may budget para bumili ng SUV o crossover. So, pwede i-consider tong hatchback. Tsaka, hindi na itatanong ng karamihan. Ito, ni-launch nung February sa Thailand. So, mabilis ang pagpasok ng Honda City hatchback dito sa Pilipinas.
Ilang buwan lang, no?
Oo.
Bravo, Honda. Bravo.
Ganda ng pwesto natin dito. Para tayong director sa Viva Max. The new Honda City hatchback received subtle design updates as a facelifted model, including a new honeycomb grille, a more protruding bumper, and a redesigned fog lamp housing.
Meron ding new side skirts and restyled diffuser sa likod and redesigned black alloy wheels na mas masinsin na yung design. Actually, Stan, di ako fan nung black wheels. Kasi dahil sa outgoing model, kasi parang nagmumukha malit yung gulong. Although, it adds a sporty touch.
Pero yung bagong Sonic Gray Pearl color, bagay dun sa black wheels niya, di ba? Maandar pala yan. Sino driver?
The interior is quite the same, except for the new leather steering wheel and the new 8-inch infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
And hindi na masama yun. Kasi the Honda City hatchback is a practical vehicle in terms of space and storage. At it still holds true kahit dito sa facelifted model. Thanks primarily to the ULTR or Ultra mode, or what you call the utility, long, tall, and refresh.
Sarap ng pwesto mo dun, ha?
Siyempre, ba tayo?
But the biggest update in the new Honda City hatchback is found here. It now has Honda Sensing, which means, unlike the predecessors, meron na siyang adaptive cruise control and other radar-based features that make drives safer and more convenient.
Tsaka alam mo, hindi biro yung magkaroon ng Honda Sensing sa ganitong price point. Lalo na yung may mga safety features ka pa. Diba?
Drive-wise, nothing new, and that's good. And if the outgoing version is any indication, walang bitin sa power. Kahit puno yung sasakyan, kahit bucket pan, walang bitin sa power. Just like the old model, kahit puno yan, kahit bucket, walang bitin. And the handling is tight. Plus, the suspension is pliant enough sa mga for road surfaces.
Pero, alam mo, Tito Jacob, matanong ko lang. Bakit ba napakahilig mo sa small cars tulad ng hatchback? May pera ka naman para bumili ng SUV tsaka mas malalaking chikot. Yan ang mga gusto ng mga Pinoy.
So, ito lang, Stan, mahilig lang talaga ako sa petit na sasakyan. Kasi, mas maganda yung handling, mas madali i-drive. Lagi naman ako sa syudad Mas madali i-drive sa city. And, yun nga, dahil maliliit naman kalsada sa Pilipinas, kahit sa probinsya, mas sa akin, for my intents and purposes, mas gusto ko ang small cars. And mas dynamic silang i-drive sa kalsada.
Okay. Ako, mahilig lang ako talaga sa petit. Hindi lang kotse. Pati motor.
The 1.5-liter naturally aspirated gasoline engine, good for 119 horsepower and 145 Nm torque, was peppy. Transmission, despite being a CVT, works well in sending power to the front wheels as needed. Pero Stan, nagulat nga ako Hindi dinala ng Honda yung hybrid version ng City Hatchback na nilabas nila sa Thailand.
Oo nga, akala ko mag-hybrid sila
Oo, di ba?
Oo, kasi alam mo, yung CRV, meron silang electrified version na
Oo. Yun nga, ano ba?
Oo. Tsaka alam mo, pag naglabas ang Honda ng hybrid or electrified versions, tapos na boxing. Tsaka mas may choices sa mga Pinoy.
Oo.
Di ba?
Baka next generation. Pero for sure, mas mahal yun. Speaking of, the Honda City Hatchback RS, the sole variant now, is priced at 1,194,000 pesos.
Nako, almost 1.2. Mas mahal ng konti sa outgoing model. Tingin mo ba sulit?
Let's just say that Honda Sensing is not a cheap feature to add.
So
And
bagay,
you'll never know that you need them unless you actually do.
oo nga. Yan nga sinasabi mo, Honda Sensing. Safety is priceless. Di ba? So, I'm your host, Stanley Chi, ang yung senpai ng turbuhan.
My name is Jacob Oliva, the head of content video of philcoche.com.
Alam nyo na gagawin. Basta, ganun lang ng ganun. Di ba? Kita-kits sa next video. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Philcoche na!